Hey guys, welcome to Tripinn. Today we're heading into one of Seoul's most iconic spots, Gwangjang Market. This place is buzzing, packed with locals, crazy food and non-stop energy. From crispy mung bean pancakes to those famous mini kimbap rolls, everywhere you look, there's something cooking, sizzling, and smelling amazing. In this video, we're gonna walk through the market, try some must-eat street food, and soak in the real Korean night market vibe. So stick around, enjoy the ride, and let's dive into Gwangjang Market. We just reached Jongno 5 gas station, exit 8, one of the nearest points to Gwangjang Market. It's evening, and the streets are slowly coming alive with lights and people. As we start walking, you can see a street performer singing, adding a local vibe to the moment. Let's head toward the market and begin our walk. Now, we are moving forward toward Gwangjang Market. This is one of the oldest traditional markets in Seoul, opened in 1905 during the Korean Empire. It first began as a trading place for local goods and textiles, and over time, it became famous for street food. The moment we step in, this fresh fruit stand catches our eye. Simple, colorful, and full of life. Today, the market is known for its lively atmosphere, authentic Korean snacks, and long food alleys that stay busy into the night. Walking here feels like stepping into a place where Seoul's past and present meet together. As we move forward, we spot a food cart loaded with Korean street favorites, steaming sausages, kimchi, and juicy dumplings. We see fresh kimbap being made right in front of us. Those black rolls wrapped in seaweed are called kimbap. Simple, tasty, and super tempting. A little further, we spot bindaeteok sizzling on the grill, one of the most famous dishes in Gwangjang Market. This crispy Korean pancake is made from ground mung beans, mixed with kimchi, green onions, and sometimes pork, then fried until golden and crunchy. The smell alone is hard to resist.
ก็มี
Right here, we spot a small cart serving fresh shawarma. Juicy, flavorful meat slowly roasted on a vertical spit, sliced thin, and wrapped with veggies and sauce. Simple, filling, and always a crowd favorite. Right here, you can see japchae, a popular Korean dish made with glass noodles, vegetables, and light seasoning. It's simple, warm, and full of flavor. You'll notice almost every stall serving sizzling sausages and fresh seafood. One of the best things about Gwangjang Market is the real local vibe. It feels authentic, busy, and full of life. Right ahead, you can spot the famous Korean corn dog, crispy on the outside and soft inside. One of the most loved street snacks here. And just beside this stall, there's another local favorite. You can see fresh skewers and seafood being prepared. Grilled right in front of you. Simple, fresh, and full of flavor. This is the kind of street food that makes walking through Gwangjang Market so special. We've reached another part of the market, but it looks quiet and mostly closed right now. So let's move to the other side and continue our walk, where the night is still alive and the food stalls are open. We've reached another stall, where a lady is carefully preparing fresh noodles with dumplings. Mandu-guk, a comforting Korean soup. The steam, the aroma, and the simple cooking make it look incredibly warm and inviting. It was too tempting to just walk past. So, we decided to stop and try it ourselves. Here, you'll find a wide variety of kimchi in different flavors and styles. Along with fresh raw fish. As we go a little further, we come across a stall where the cook is making fresh shrimp right in front of us. The shrimp are pressed as they cook, letting them sizzle in their own natural juices. It's simple, it's bold, and it's straight-up Korean street food at its best. As we go a little further, we catch this stall where a couple's cooking up these fish-shaped pancakes right on the grill. They're stuffed with sweet potato and melty cheese. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Honestly, this is one of those snacks you have to grab when you're cruising through the market. Walking through the market, we come across kwabaegi and take a moment to see how these twisted corn donuts are made. Walking here is not just about food. It's about the atmosphere, the people, and the feeling of discovering something real, one step at a time. If you enjoyed walking with us, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real walks and travel experiences.